not just to celebrate, but to pay tribute to the heroes who shape our future. The torch-bearer of knowledge, our teachers. Let's make some noise for this incredible day.
Yes, indeed. As Aristotle once said, those who educate children well are more to be honored than parents, for these only gave us lives. Those, the art of living well. With these words in mind, let's begin this day filled with gratitude and admiration.
And what better way to start this celebration than by seeking the divine blessings of the Almighty? Let's receive the blessings of God.
Education is not the filling of a pail, but the lighting of a fire. Let's light that fire today with a vibrant and energetic performance.
Esteemed Manager, Honorable Director, respected Vice Principal, dear teachers and all my dear friends. Good morning to one and all present here. It is with immense joy and pride that I stand before you on this wonderful occasion of Teachers' Day. Today, we gather here to celebrate the invaluable contributions of our teachers, the true guiding lights of our lives. First and foremost, I would like to extend a warm welcome to our respected manager, Father Abel. Your dedication to ensuring the smooth functioning of our institution is deeply appreciated. Your efforts behind the scenes does not go unnoticed, and we truly thank you for all that you do. I would also like to extend a heartfelt welcome to our respected director, Sulatan Matthew Ma'am, whose vision and leadership continue to inspire us all. We are truly grateful for your constant support and encouragement, which enable us to thrive in this nurturing environment. I would also like to extend a special welcome to our Vice Principal, Sri Matthew Ma'am, who plays a pivotal role in shaping of our academic journey. Your guidance and commitment to excellence serve as a constant source of motivation for both students and teachers alike. And of course, to our beloved teachers, thank you for your unwavering dedications, patience and care. You are the cornerstone of our education, guiding us not just in our academics, but also in our life. Today, we come together to express our deepest gratitude for all that you do. On this Teachers' Day, let us all take a moment to reflect on the positive impact our teachers have had on our lives. Their wisdom, encouragement and love help us to grow and succeed, and for that we are forever grateful. Once again, a warm welcome to everyone present here, and a special thank you to our manager, director, vice principal and teachers for making this day possible. So let us all celebrate this day with joy, respect and love for the incredible work that our teachers do. Thank you and happy Teachers' Day to all.
Thank you for those words. That's right. So get ready to experience the vibrancy, passion, and the energy of our students. Presenting the welcome dance. Let the rhythm flow.
We gather to you on this very special day. We're all so very happy to
What a breathtaking performance. Thank you for bringing that electrifying energy to our stage.
And now, as we bask in the afterglow of that performance, let's pause to reflect on the significance of this day. As John F. Kennedy once said, a good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. Let's hear more about why we celebrate Teachers' Day.
With a teacher who believes in you, who pushes you and leads you to the next plateau, sometimes poking you with a sharp stick called the truth. A very good morning to our esteemed manager, Reverend Father Abin, our director, dear Lata Matthew ma'am, Winnie ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. The significance of September 5th is deeply rooted in the life and contributions of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, an eminent scholar, philosopher, and the second President of India. Born on September 5th, 1888, Dr. Radhakrishnan was a revered academician whose writings and teachings greatly influenced the field of education. When Dr. Radhakrishnan became the president in 1962, he was approached by some of his students and friends to celebrate his birthday. In response, Dr. Radhakrishnan said that it would be an honor if Teachers' Day was celebrated on his birthday across the nation. Dr. Radhakrishnan believed that teachers were the true pillars of society who helped to shape the future generations of the nation. Since then, September 5th has been dedicated to honoring the teachers in India. It is a day to recognize the hard work, dedication, and pivotal role that teachers play in guiding their students towards success and making them responsible citizens. But Teachers' Day is not just about celebrating the profession of teaching. It is also a day to express gratitude and appreciation for those who have impacted our lives through their wisdom, guidance, and patience. As Dr. Radhakrishnan once said, that true teachers are those who help us think for ourselves. Since then, students across the country have organized various events, performances, and celebrations for their teacher. It is a day of remembrance, reflection, and reminder of the profound influence that teachers have on our lives. Through this celebration, we acknowledge that the impacts of the teachers go beyond the classroom, touching every aspect of society and shaping the future of the nation. Once again, a very happy Teachers' Day to all. Thank you.
Thank you for that illuminating explanation. It's clear that teachers are the backbone of our society, guiding us with wisdom and patience.
Speaking of guidance, we are about to take you on a journey through time, from ancient gurus to modern day educators. Get ready for a skit that will showcase the timeless essence of teaching.
And teacher. In this scene, a young disciple approaches her, eager to learn about the nature of reality. Through their dialogue, Gargi imparts valuable life lessons on the importance of looking beyond the surface, self-reflection, and the pursuit of truth. This brief but powerful exchange highlights that wisdom is not about knowledge, but about the inner journey to understand ourselves and the world around us. Guru Ma, I've heard of your great wisdom. Please teach me the nature of reality. My child, reality is like a vast ocean. What you see on the surface is but a fraction of its depth. My Guru Ma, how do I understand this depth? How can I see beyond the surface? As the sky appears limitless, so too is the knowledge within you. To see beyond the surface, you must dive deep within yourself, shedding illusions and embracing the truth. But Guru Ma, how do I know what is an illusion and what is the truth? Through self-reflection and meditation, the truth will reveal itself. Question everything, but remain humble. For true wisdom comes to those who seek with an open heart. Thank you, Guru Ma. Your words are like a beacon of light in the darkness of ignorance. Remember, knowledge is endless, but the journey to find it begins within you. Go forward with courage and humility.
Guru Brahmacharya was the royal teacher of the Pandavas and Kauravas. He was known for his exceptional skill in archery and combat. Among all his students, Arjun stood out. because of his focus, while Nakul and Sahadev have their own unique abilities, bringing balance to the group.
Today, I want to test your arching skills. Each of you should have at the eye of a bird perched on a tree branch. But remember, before shooting, I will ask each of you what you see. What do you see?
I see the tree, the branches, the sky, and the bird.
Step aside. You are not ready yet. What do you see? I see the tree, the bird, and the leaves moving in the wind, and the delicious mangoes and fruit. Yummy. Step aside. You too are not ready. What do you see, Nakul? I see the bird, its feathers, and the tree around it. I observe how the bird perches gracefully, and its form is perfect, like nature's balance. Your observation is sharp, Nakul, but in this moment, you must only see the target. Step aside. What do you see, Sahadev?
I see the bird, the tree, and the surrounding forest. But I also sense that the wind will shift soon, and the bird may move. Timing the shot correctly is important.
Step aside, Sahadev. Arjun, I want you to aim at the bird on that tree. Tell me, what do you see? I see only the eye of the bird, Sahadev. What about the tree, the branches, or the sky? I see nothing but the bird's eye, Guru. Release the arrow, Arjun. Arjun, your focus and dedication are unmatched. You will be the greatest archer the world has ever known. Thank you, Gurudev. Your guidance is my strength. Remember, Arjun, it's not just skill, but unwavering focus and discipline that makes you a true warrior. Focus and dedication are the keys to mastering any skill.
Let us witness the defining moment in the encounter where Chanakya, a scholar, meets young Chandragupta. Seeing the potential in the determined boy, Chanakya pledges to guide him to overthrow the Nanda dynasty. Together, they embark on a journey to bring justice and reshape the future of India. This marks the beginning of a historic alliance that will change the course of history forever.
Young man, what drives you to practice so diligently? I wish to rid our land of tyranny and bring justice, but I need a mentor to guide me. I see the fire of a true leader in your eyes. I am Chanakya, and I will help you. Together we will overthrow the Nanda dynasty and establish a kingdom of righteousness. I am ready to win. Lead me, and I will follow you. Then let us begin. The journey will be long, but with wisdom and courage, victory will be ours.
It highlights the wisdom and value of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a renowned philosopher and dedicated educator. Through a heartfelt conversation with a curious student, Dr. Radhakrishnan shares his belief that teaching is not only about knowledge, but about shaping minds and building character. This inspiring interaction reflects the profound impact a teacher can have, guiding students towards critical thinking, moral values, and a deeper sense of responsibility in society. Why did we choose to be a teacher when we could have pursued so many other paths?
A teacher shapes the future of nation. It's not just about imparting knowledge, but to inspire students to think critically and moral. You mean education is more than just books and exams? Exactly. It's about developing character and a sense of duty towards society. That's why I believe that the teacher holds the power to transform life. Thank you, sir. Your words have inspired me to pursue learning with a purpose. Remember, a good student is not only someone who learns, but also someone who asks questions and contributes to the world.
That was a powerful reminder of timeless role that teachers have played in our lives. Let's give another round of applause to our talented performers.
And now, let's keep that energy high. It's time for a dance mashup.
शिक्षक सृष्टि में निर्माण की अभिव्यक्ति है। शिक्षक उंगली पकड़े बच्चे का सहारा है। शिक्षक डूबती हुई कश्ती का किनारा है। शिक्षक तपते मौसम में बारिश के समान है। शिक्षक छोटे से परिंदे का बड़ा आसमान है। शिक्षक अप्रदर्शित अनंत प्यार है। शिक्षक करुणा, दया और अपनत्व का भंडार है। शिक्षक एक जीवन को जीवन का दान है। शिक्षक जीवन में सफलता पाने का प्रमाण है। शिक्षक उपहार है जिसका आशीष जीवन पर्यंत हमारे साथ है।
जिंदगी का आखिर भी जो जिंदगी मिले, हर खुशी का आखिर भी चाहे खुशी मिले। जिंदगी का आखिर भी जो जिंदगी मिले, हर खुशी का आखिर भी चाहे खुशी मिले। तो मान लूं तेरे
जहाँ में बाबराए साथ हो, इस सयानी भीड़ में बस आंखों में तेरा नाम हो। बावरी सी तुम हो कोई बावरा एक लाग हो, ओ बावरी सी तुम हो कोई बावरा एक लाग हो। बावरे से पैर जाए बावरे करारों के, बावरे से बोलते निरंकुला बावरा देख चलाए संगीता। ऊंचे गगन में उड़ने का सपना, हथेली से बादल को छूने के अरमान। ऊंचे गगन में उड़ने का सपना, हथेली से बादल को छूने के अरमान। मुझको निकाला तेरे पास लोगो, मुझे पंख दे दो, 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 मुझे पंख दे दो।
That was absolutely off the charts. And now we come to one of the most important parts of today's event, the felicitation of our teachers. As Albert Einstein once said, it is the supreme art of the teacher to awaken joy in creative expression and knowledge. Today, we honor those who awaken the joy in us every day.
A very good morning to all. On this memorable day, I would like to invite our beloved teacher to open it with the shastrings and prompts. Mr. Eden sir. Mr. Kaushik.
with you I feel safe and secure. You really care for me. If something happens in the class to bring me down, makes me sad, you're there for me. And when I'm stuck, I don't know what to do, you're there to guide me. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. I wake up in the morning and I know it's gonna be another fun day. There's not a day that passes by when you don't throw me a smile. I like the way you get so excited about the things you're gonna teach us. And every day is different 'cause we're learning more and more about life. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La la la, la la la, I love my teacher. La la la, la la la, I love my teacher. La la la, la la, I love my teacher. Everyone's special in their own little way. That's what you keep telling us day after day. Finding what you're good at and working real hard with love and dedication. You will go far. You will go far. You will go far. You will go far. I wanna dedicate this song to you because you care for me. La 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 la, la la la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la la, I love my teacher. Every time I feel down, you pick me up. And when my heart is feeling empty out, you fill my cup. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you, just wanna say thank you. I'm grateful for the way you care. I'm friends to me.
Are you happy to celebrate Teachers' Day? Yes, yes, they are our heroes, right? Yeah? Yes. Today, as we gather to celebrate Teachers' Day, my heart is filled with immense pride and joy. It is an honor to stand before such a great, dedicated and passionate group of individuals who shape the future. The day is not just about acknowledging the profession, it's about recognizing the extraordinary efforts, sacrifices, and commitment that our teachers bring to their roles every single day. Teachers play a pivotal role not only in the academic development of our students, but in shaping the very fabric of our society. They sow the seeds of character, ethics, and dreams, nurturing patiently and watch them grow into towering trees that can lead nations. A school may be judged by its infrastructure, but I firmly believe that the true strength of a school lies in its teachers. It is your dedication, passion, and commitment that transform these bricks and mortar structures into a true temples of learning. I am reminded of an anecdote where a person asked a sculptor how he could carve such beautiful statues from a rock. The sculptor replied, "The statue was always there. I just removed the unnecessary parts." In such a same way, our teachers see the potential in every student. You chisel away doubts and fears, molding them into confident, knowledgeable, and compassionate individuals. You are the sculptors of our future. To our dear students, today is a moment to reflect on and appreciate the impact your teachers have on your lives. A simple thank you can mean so much. I encourage you, not just today, but frequently to express your gratitude to those who have guided, corrected, and supported you throughout your learning journey. Remember, your teachers are not just imparting knowledge, they are imparting life lessons. They teach you kindness, honesty, perseverance, and the value of hard work. They encourage you to dream big and equip you with the tools to achieve those dreams. To our esteemed teachers, I want to express my deepest gratitude. Your invaluable contribution to this institution and to society are beyond measure. The late nights, early mornings, extra hours, and personal sacrifices you make for your students do not go unnoticed. You are like the stars that guide us through the dark night of learning, lighting up young minds with knowledge and helping them navigate the world around them. The impact you make today will resonate through generations to come. In closing, I would like to echo the words of Anamika Misra. A good teacher is like the rising sun that comes to fill the empty and dark minds with the light of education. To the pillars of our institution, our beloved teachers, thank you for everything you do. You are the most important ingredient in the success of our school. And it is your passion and dedication that make our school not just a place of education, but a community of learning and growth. May you continue to inspire, enlighten, and guide us for many more years to come. Thank you so much, and happy Teachers' Day. Thank you, Father. And now, as we draw this incredible celebration to a close, I would like to invite Arsh Khandelwal to deliver the vote of thanks.
Teachers plant the seeds. Teachers plant the seeds of knowledge that grows forever in our hearts. Good morning to everyone present here. On behalf of all the students, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude.
Father Aiden for his continuous support and guidance, which has always been a source of inspiration for all of us. A special thanks to our director, Mrs. Lata Matthew Ma'am, for her visionary leadership and dedication towards nurturing both students and teachers alike. Your commitment to education has been a cornerstone of our growth. I would also like to thank our Vice Principal, Mrs. Winnie Matthew Ma'am, for her unwavering encouragement and support. Your efforts in ensuring the proper functioning of our school have been invaluable. To all the teachers, words cannot express our gratitude for your hard work, patience and dedication. You are the pillars of our education and today we celebrate you for all that you do. Finally, I would like to thank my dear friends for their participation and enthusiasm in making this day a memorable one. Thank you once again. Happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you, Arsh, for those wonderful words. Your message truly resonated with all of us.
And with that, we conclude our Teachers' Day celebration. Remember, as Malcolm X said, education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Let's continue to honor and appreciate our teachers every single day. A very happy Teachers' Day to you all.
Thank you, students. Thank you so much for all this wonderful program. Now all of you can stand up for the prayer before the recess.